the first time, then do subscribe to my channel and join this fam. So I've been browsing for perfect mascara, like the one which is almost like a girl's dream, for a long time now, and I found this. So after seeing all the reviews, I really wanted it, and it was only available in other countries, not in India. Recently they launched it in India as well, so I saw it in Nykaa, and this was a suggestion from a junior of mine. She said it's going to be amazing and she needs a review on this. So here I am. I'm going to do a mini review of this product over here, which is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I got it in Central Store, so you get it in Nykaa as well as all those offline stores where you have L'Oreal pop-up store. So let's put this baby to a live result test. Let's go. It comes like this. Sorry, I almost broke it before I even talk about it. Just gonna open it and then see. So here's the mascara. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see my eyes, and then we can do a light test. I think that's enough. You can see all my spots. The wand looks something like this. As you can see, the results are like right here. I really like it. This as well and come back. So as you can see, I have done both my eyes with this one over here. This is amazing product, to be honest. You saw the results, it was amazing. The wand and the bristles are amazing. It has this good texture to it, and by the way, this is just the one coat, guys. If you want like extra dramatic, then you're gonna put like a double coat, then you're gonna get double this thing. And this is a waterproof mascara. It doesn't really go with this Garnier micellar water makeup remover. You gotta do, I think you gotta take this oil based or else something which is like not a water based makeup remover. So apart from that, this is such an amazing product, and I would give this 9 by 10. The one is it's kind of hard to take it off, and it stays all day, guys. It stays all day, as it said, because the removing is like so hard that it doesn't even go with while you smudge. So it's amazing. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.